understand this diagram here which is there in our test. This means it is actually very easy to understand. Just it takes time, but after you understand it's very easy. Yeah. After I just explained it, you feel like okay, it is easy actually. So here what happens is that here if you see first our user program, first here if you see this is interpret occurring case. What is happening when an interpret occur? Initially what happened, n instruction, n plus 1 instruction, user program instruction is this is main memory. In main memory this n instruction is getting executed in the processor. Then next we have to do n plus 1, but after finishing n, an interpret is occurring, right? So that means what we are going to do is that this is the address of IS, interpret service routine start address, and this is the return address of interpret service routine. Fine. Now this is our stack. This is our initial stack pointer t. Initially it was empty, only t is there. These all are was empty. So now what happened is that when the interpret occur, the general registers, that was the current registers and the program counter value, that is n plus 1, and the stack pointer is currently stack pointer is t. This general control stack, there is a stack. The registers values get stored here, and the program counter, that is n plus 1 get value, also gets stored in the control stack. Then in the program counter, the new program counter value would come, that is the interpret service routine value would come, that is y would come, right? And the stack pointer would become t minus m, because we till this much the PC value is here, the registers value is there, so the new stack pointer value becomes what? T minus m. So after interpret occur, our new program, so first what we are going to do is that the program counter n plus 1 value, that is the next instructions address, and the general registers, we are going to store it in our stack. That is what happening here. The stack initial point was t. Now we have stored up to t minus m. So the new stack pointer becomes t minus m, and the new program counter value would be what? This ISR address, that is this y would come. Now after interpret and all is finished, then what happens is that the address, that is the n plus 1 address that we have stored in the stack, that will go here. So now the program counter has finished the execution of interpret service routine, is from y it has become y plus l. That value would be replaced by this n plus 1, and the registers value we have stored would also come here. Now our stack pointer was t minus m, then that has to be replaced by t again, because now the stack would become empty again. This is what return from interpret. After the interpret occur, this is what is happening here. Understood? Thank you.